Hello ladies and gentlemen, Martin here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to place your seals in your forks. Alright, so you have gotten your front fork off, whichever one it may be, off your motorcycle. So once you've done that, on this motorcycle specifically, there's an Allen head still holding on this little carrier group that holds on the brake caliper and everything for the front brake. So we're gonna unscrew this right here and try to take it out without it falling out. Take it out like that, so simply like that. And now this whole thing should come out. That whole thing should come out. Now a good thing to do with that is to clean that really well. I got some brake cleaner, which that's what I'm going to be using to clean that and to cleaning this. So, but now we're going to take the dust cover off, or try to fight it off. But the main reason why a lot of these actually leak is because there's dirt in it, and they're just dirty overall. So then once you get that dust cover off, there's going to be a pin underneath that. This pin right here, it's kind of a snap. It's a snap pin. So get in here and you pop it out. You might have to get a smaller screwdriver, or you might be lucky enough to get it in there and get it to snap out. But it's that right there. And then there's the final seal, which is right here, which might be a little hard to get out, which I'm trying to find the bottom of it that way so I don't. And just like that, it come out. Now you're going to want to take a rag and get in there and clean around where the seal sits. Try to get as much dirt out from that area as you can to, stop it from fucking leaking. So just do that right there. I would get a little bit of brake cleaner, or anything you got that is a degreaser, and spray a little bit in there. Just to get some of that extra dirt out. That way you make sure your seal is actually sealing. But all right, now let's get our seals out. It looked like it tapered. It went tapered down. So what I do is I usually get something smaller. I beat it in. Beat it down. Okay, so once you got the seal beat in, you can put the snap ring back in, and it'll fall back into its little groove that it has. So if it doesn't fall back into its groove, you just need to beat down the seal a little bit more. But I like to make sure, it's actually getting in the groove, which, check and make sure it's falling in the groove. And, if you believe it looked good, then, go ahead and go on with it. So now we got that. So I'm going to draw off around this a little bit right here before I put on the dust cover. So you're going to clean off this right here, wipe away any of the dirt that it may have held on to. So just wipe it down a good bit. Now we're gonna put the dust cover, go ahead and put it on. And we're gonna put it back together. After that, you can slide down the dust guard and just take your little hammer and tap it in. Okay, so now all the seals are back in, you're gonna drop your Allen bolt back in there and tighten it back up. And ladies and gentlemen, there you go. You've replaced your seal and your dust cover on your front forks on your motorcycle. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.